Hello, charter school friends. This is Nick Protaski, Associate Director for the Wisconsin Resource Center for Charter Schools. You're watching this video because you have registered for the 2020 WRRCS Virtual Conference happening on July 28th and July 29th. When you go to our schedule landing page at WRRCS2020.sched.com, you will notice that the 28th is geared toward charter school authorizers and governance boards. And on Wednesday, July 29th, our sessions are geared towards school leaders and classrooms. If you scroll down and you go to our info page, we want you to notice that there are 3 different ways that the sessions will be facilitated. Why? Because we want to make sure that it meets your learning expectations. Our first type of session right here, the facilitated session, is the kind of traditional webinar that you maybe have attended. Sometimes your video's off and you're taking notes, and the presenter is leading you through new material, opportunities to do some chatting in the chat feature and ask questions at the end. The next session or way that we would like to offer opportunities for learning at the conference is in a participatory session. That's a combination of presenter-led material, but opportunities for you to participate in breakout sessions. So you might need to turn your camera on, you might need to unmute and engage in chat polls or other discussions. Then the last type of session are for those of you that like to discuss and you like to learn in dialogue with others. There will be a facilitator that will provide opportunities for individuals to discuss. So yes, you are going to have that video on. You're going to have to be ready to answer questions and to learn with each other in the session together. So no matter which style you like, we have the sessions for you at the WRRCS 2020 conference. So let's just spend a second and let's look at our schedule. By clicking on the overview here, you can scroll down and you see all the different sessions that are being offered. They're color-coded by the domain or the stakeholder in which the sessions are geared toward. And the filter type is right over here. If you're a governance board member and you only want to see sessions for the governance board, you can click on it, it will refresh, and you'll only see sessions on the 28th that are geared towards governance boards. But if you're a governance board member and you only want to participate with that video on in a robust conversation style, you would click on that discussion, and now only sessions that are designed for governance board members that have a style or a session type of discussion, you will see show up. Our governance board roundtables, and now you have identified the sessions for you. Another way to do this is by going to the print version, and it'll come up, our entire schedule will come up in a PDF format, and you will see that with these letters here, it's telling you which domain or which stakeholder type that session is geared toward. If you're a design team member and you only want to see sessions that are geared towards design teams, you can click on that button and only design sessions come up. You can move out of the simplified version into the detailed, and you can actually see all the different descriptions. Well, I don't see any reason why you wouldn't be able to personalize your experience with the 2020 WRRCS conference. Jump into the schedule site and start identifying the sessions for you. If you want help, reach out to us at the Wisconsin Resource Center for Charter Schools, and we'll help identify the sessions to make your experience that much more beneficial. This is Nick Protaski signing off. Can't wait to see you at the conference.